Yeah. So under the customer dashboards, Roy, what we'd like to show for the main boxes at the top, the pool interest, the pool benefit, and the average net position, we can actually indicate what the currency is.
Okay.
And I think in most cases that's going to be the currency of the pool. So in this example, it's euros.
Okay. Okay, so if under you want the currency part of here, or you want currency reflected
Before the figures. So
before the figure?
you would say euro EUR space 120,000.
Okay.
For example.
Right. So the easiest way to do it is here we have against the page a logic that creates the page.
Yeah.
So, and if I drill down, and here if I'm getting the customer information,
Yeah.
and if I double click on that one, I can see that there is the currency, pool currency ID, but actually I don't have the currency, what do you call, abbreviation associated.
Right.
So I'm going to do is I'm going to combine those two tables, and you will see here, when I drag and drop that currency table, I will be able to now just like pick up that currency. So here I should be able to see my currency ID appearing on here. You can
Yeah.
see that that's here.
Yeah.
So now all I need to do is populate that onto that screen.
Okay.
So I will go back to my screen values. Machine is slightly slow because of internet. And you can see here I have a little greater than or less than sign. And when I drill down, you can see that this is a 3-column structure. I can say how I would like this to behave on a tablet. So for example, I could say I would like the pool interest to rate first. So, and if I visualize this in a tablet, you will see that that is going to appear on top,
Yeah.
like that. And now if I want to actually include the currency there,
Yeah.
all I have to do is come here and find the value. Sorry, my mouse is not
Okay.
behaving very well. And I can add the number that I want to. So, for example, if I put euro, it might not work. If it works like that, that might be fine. So, which means that I can now have the ability to insert the currency in front of this.
Yeah.
So let me try to do that. So these are all the queries that are part of the screen startup.
Yep.
So here you have the currency there already. So let me see if it works. Currency label plus that one. So I'm not so sure how this is going to appear. So let's publish this out and see what it's actually going to look like. It's possible that because this is a number, it might not appear, so we might have to do some other reformatting there, but we should be able to at least see what this is going to look like.
Okay.
So you can see now it's a nice blue button where
Yeah.
you can open it in browser. So if I press that, it opens the browser, and you can see that the currency is now
Showing.
appearing on the
Okay.
pool interest there.
That's